You know it's a good parking spot when you're near a Shake Shack. I always like taking pictures of dogs. Hey doggy, hey buddy. Also up here they got plenty of places you can get your snacks. Got your Philly pretzels, Liberty Bell snacks. Get your Sugar Rush and all that. And here's the map right here when you walk up. So there's 2 floors. This is the main floor. Then they have a like the classics and stuff, and then they got the customized downstairs. Yeah, see, here you go, right down there. Classic Auto Mall and the Antique Auto Club of America. So you got those right there. We got the 2023 Philadelphia Auto Show. Simulators back for 2023. Just caught him at the right time. This is new. So they got the E-Track in the center this year. Oh wow, look at this. So this is definitely, oh my goodness, look how big this thing is. This is giganimous. I think we should just sign up for it now. Because before it gets too crazy, we'll get this in. So they definitely changed it around, that's good. So you gotta register first, and then you get in line. This is how it works for the check-in with the vehicles. It's kind of streamlined. Scan the QR code, you do all the sign-in and everything, and after you sign in and you get your confirmation email, then you get in line, you get your wristband, and then you get in line for the cars. So you can get in line for any of the cars you want. All right, so we get over to the Toyota now, you gotta do another sign-in.
Correct, yes. So you're gonna need to do a sign-in for every company here.
Okay.
Essentially, you get your wristband from the auto show first, and you sign a waiver for them, and then you're basically gonna repeat that process each time you go to a different dealer.
Okay, excellent.
Did you want to try one of our?
Absolutely.
All right, as soon as one of these iPads open up,
Okay.
we'll have you register, we'll get your wristband on your wrist, and then we'll get you in the queue.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. All right, so we're all signed in. Moving on to the cars now.
Do you want to buckle up?
Oh yeah, how about that? she's like looking at me. I'm like, what do you want? What do you want? We turn the camera on? I don't know. See, safety first.
Are we your first this morning?
Yes, you're my first this morning. I like the new track. The new track is pretty awesome. Is this your first time doing the show?
For Philadelphia, yes.
For Philadelphia. Oh, so this is like a traveling show. Oh, that's a cool gig. Check out the display. Yeah. All recording. So this is the RAV4 Prime.
XSE.
So this is the limited with everything in it.
No, this is our XSE.
Oh.
The limited one would be our BZ4X one.
Oh. Oh. So this is like the torque test. Make sure you can like merge. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. We're merged. Yeah, it's got a nice little torque. It's about 90.
This is combined to be 94.
Oh, how close was he? How close was he? Yeah. So here's a couple of facts about the Philadelphia Auto Show. It's set up through the Auto Dealers Association of Greater Philadelphia, and it also has a non-profit organization, the Auto Dealers Caring for Kids Foundation, which makes donations to the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia since 1986. They also have a new coat program, which they started in 2008, which has given out over 500,000 coats to children in need. So they do a lot of good work there. A couple of things from this year that I really liked. I liked the big open track in the middle so you could actually get into different cars side by side and ride in different ones. They had the EVs upstairs, and then you could actually go outside and drive or have somebody else drive one of the cars you were looking at. So they had a lot of different options there. And it's more for if you want to check out different cars. So that's the main floor. They also had Jeeps and they had Rams with the tracks that went over the hills and through. It was great. Downstairs, they had the custom alley, and that's where you find all your customized cars, your tints, your lights, everything, all your bling, right? That's all downstairs. And then they had the classic cars in the other hall. So there's a little bit of something for everyone if you like cars or if you're shopping for one. It's definitely a lot of fun. It's for a good cause. I had a lot of fun. So if you get a chance or you're thinking about it, I would say check it out. It normally runs for about a week, and it's located right next to Reading Terminal. And this year they allow you to go in and go out. So you can go in, check out a couple cars until you get tired, and then go over to the Reading Terminal, get something to eat, and then come back. And they do have places to eat inside. Now, as far as accessibility, the upstairs part where the cars are and everything, I would say is great for accessibility. There's plenty of room in the aisles. So if you're in one of the scooters or a wheelchair, there's plenty of space to get around. Downstairs, it's a little tighter. And I really do appreciate everybody watching the video, subscribing. Helps me out a lot. And and if you see me, say hi. I have so much fun when people come up and say hi, and then we take a selfie, and that's really why I do it. So until next video, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I'll see you all soon.